Healthcare workers in the Chicago area fighting back against Illinois' vaccine mandates. A group of nurses says the requirement forces them to choose between their sincerely held religious beliefs and their jobs. Now, just this week, a federal judge in New York ruled that they've got to allow religious exemptions, or at least the possibility of them. But a judge in Maine found that they could prohibit them there. Daniel Suhr is an attorney with the Liberty Justice Center who represents one of those healthcare workers challenging Illinois' mandate. Neelie Panozzo, they both join us live tonight. Thank you guys for your time.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, so Neelie, tell us what the situation is, and is it possible that you are going to have to make a job or career change at this point?
It is, actually. We are being told that we need to vaccinate or we will no longer be employed. I have 25 years of nursing experience, and it's devastating for me to think that I may lose my job over my choice to not vaccinate, and I'm not alone.
Yeah, Daniel, there are a number of people across the country who are making these challenges. I know right there in Chicago there are many as well. For many, the case is they want to have a religious exemption, but there are plenty of skeptics out there. In the Chicago Tribune, there was an opinion piece today where the writer says, I find it to be a convenient excuse to bolster some people's refusal of rolling up their sleeve. He says, I'm expecting millions of U.S. workers to suddenly find religion to avoid the mandates. With so many workers claiming the exemption to avoid the vaccine, public health and herd immunity may be jeopardized, experts say. How do you respond to that columnist?
It's Shannon. Nurses like Neelie are heroes. They've been showing up every day in and day out, throughout this pandemic, serving their patients. And now this hospital wants to throw all of that away and fire these nurses because they refuse to compromise their sincerely held convictions. That's wrong, and it's illegal. Illinois law protects people like Neelie from being coerced into this kind of choice between holding fast to their faith and holding on to their job. It's wrong. It's illegal.
Yeah, I mean, Neelie, how do you feel after a year ago we were all out there celebrating you? You guys are showing up for work when there wasn't a vaccine. We didn't know everything. We're learning every day more about COVID. But you guys were willing to walk into those situations and take care of people. And now you're in this situation. Could you have imagined that things would have turned around so quickly? And what does it feel like to be in this position?
No, I never thought that this would happen. We have fought so hard on the front lines of COVID. We came to work every day without hesitation. It's our passion to take care of our patients, and now it's at jeopardy to be taken from us, our livelihoods, and to choose between our faith and our sincere beliefs with regards to our job is just disheartening.
Mm-hmm. Neelie, what will you do if you have to leave this job?
I stand behind my faith and my convictions, and that is why I'm fighting here today. And I will find another job if I have to, but I will stand firm in my decision, and I'm fighting for every American because this is just wrong and it's illegal.
Well, we know there are many people involved. Daniel and Neelie, please keep us up to date on your case. And Neelie, we thank you for the work that you've done over the last couple of years and just your willingness to go in there and care for the rest of us when we needed you. Thank you both.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.